Hey guys, so in this video we are going to show you how the blackheads and the pores should be cleaned. So in this complete video you are saying that there are too many blackheads on the person's face, and I am using this tool to extract them all, and it is kind of satisfying, and sometime I had to do it via using a pin to make it pour open. So it is kind like a easy thing to do so. Like if some of the pores were blocked, and if we use an extraction tool to remove that bastard, then it's kind of painful for the persons on the face. But believe me, once it was done correctly, all the blackheads and the impurities from the face should be gone immediately. And I love the procedure. It helps me reduce my pressure plus person's face acne and all type of blackheads. Plus with simple cures, he should always looks healthy and his face should be glow if he does follow the routine, which is basically a face wash on a complete time, make them sweat free, and if any sweat gets into the skin, it should be swept by a towel or any tissue or any kind of soft fabric. So these are some few tips which I have to share with you, and I know that you also have some blackheads on your face, and you are seeing the best tools to extract with that or any kind of opportunity. Thanks for watching.